Hello everyone, I am Dakshika Selvan, a final year engineering student from the Department of Computer Science Engineering from Panimala Engineering College. I am happy to share that I have been placed and I am beginning my journey with an internship opportunity. My interview process had 4 rounds: an online written test, group discussion, HR interview, and finally the technical interview. With the right preparation and the support, I was able to clear all the rounds successfully. I sincerely thank Panimala Engineering College for its excellent infrastructure, supportive faculty and strong learning environment that built my technical foundation. A special thanks to the QSpiders Panimala Engineering College for its placement training, like the soft skills training, mock interviews and technical workshops, which majorly helped me in the recruitment process. I'm grateful to the HODs, faculty members and the placement team for their constant support and their encouragement. To all the aspiring students, stay focused, work hard and believe in yourself. Success will chase you. Thank you.